Hello my dear students, in the last class we have discussed the one problem of exercise 1.3 and division of integers and one property, that is closure property. Closure property not holds for integer, and I was given homework as whether the commutative property and associative property are under division holds for integer. Is it holds? No, it does not holds for integers. Okay, so closure property, commutative property, associative property and even distributive property is also not holds for integer under division. Okay, so today's one property, division by 1. Okay, take any integer. So take any integer 3 divided by 1. So what will get the answer? If we divide any integer by 1, we get the same integer. What is the answer here? Same integer means 3 more. 3 divided by 1 means 3 only. So how to write this one? If we divide any integer by 1, we get the same integer. So how to write this one? If we divide any integer by 1, we get the same integer, no? Same integer. So how to write this one? A divided by 1 equals to A only, no? What is that A? A is any integer. So if we divide any integer by 1, we get the same integer. And next one is division of 0. Division of 0. This is not by 0. This is division of 0. Of. So take this example, 0 divided by 4. So what is the answer? If we divide 0 by any integer, we get the 0 only. Final answer is 0 only. So how to write this one? If we divide 0 by any integer, we get the 0 only. So in general, how to write this one? 0 divided by a equals to 0 only. 0 divided by a equals to 0 only. If we divide 0 by any integer, if you divide 0 by any integer, we get 0 only. So I hope you understand division by 1 and division of 0. Okay students, let's go to the exercise 1.4. In that first question, total 9 questions are there. I have taken only 2 questions. Remaining all 7 questions that are the homework problems. Just write yourself. I have taken these 2 problems. In that first one, 13 divided by bracket minus 2 plus 1. So how to solve this one? Before going to the division sign, so first solve the bracket problems. Okay. So 13 as is divided by, solve this one, minus 2 plus 1. Here numbers are having different sign now. So first we have to subtract 2 minus 1, and the bigger number sign is minus. So now divide 13 divided by 1. So first leave the sign 13 divided by 1, that is division by 1. If you divide any integer by 1, we get the same integer, no? That is 13 only. Okay. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus divided by minus. Plus divided by minus is, result answer is minus, no? So final answer is minus 13. So first we have to solve the bracket problem. After that divide. Just simple. Minus 2 plus 1 answer is minus 1. 13 divided by 1 is 13. Plus divided by minus is minus. Okay. So next ith one is minus 65 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So first solve the bracket. Here numbers are different sign. So subtract 6 minus 5, 1. Bigger number sign is minus. So minus 1 divided by again minus 2 plus 1. Now only you solve it, no? So minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1. First give the sign. 1 divided by 1 only. 1 divided by 1 is 1 only, and minus divided by minus. Minus divided by minus. Resulting sign is plus 1. So final answer is plus 1. This is the way of solving these two type of problem. Remaining 7 problems are homework problems. Second question is verify a divided by b plus c is not equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c. This is a distributive property, no? If you remove this division sign, just put the multiplication sign. This is distributive property, no? In this division sign, this is also one property. Just check it. This is not equals to is LHS is not equals to RHS. Okay. So and they given the values of a, b, and c also. Okay. So what are the values? So values are a equals to 12, b equals to minus 4, and c equals to 2. So how to solve this one? So just put the values in the equation. So first take the LHS. LHS equals to a divided by b plus c. Okay, just put the values. A value is 12. 12 divided by b value is minus 4, no? So take it as another bracket 4 plus c value is 2. So now only I explain the first question. So how to solve this one? 12 as it is. Solve this one first. Numbers are having different sign, so subtract and keep the bigger number sign. So answer is minus 2. Why 4 minus 2? 2. Bigger number sign is minus. So solve this one. 12 divided by 2, 6. Plus divided by minus, minus 5. Plus divided by minus is minus 1. So LHS value is minus 6. And RHS. So solve RHS. RHS is a divided by b plus a divided by c. So solve this one. Put the values. A value is 12. 12 divided by b value is minus 4, no? Minus 4. Plus 12 divided by c value is 2. So solve this one. 12 divided by minus 4, how much? Minus 3, 5. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 4 3s are 12, and plus divided by minus is minus. Minus plus 12 divided by 2, 6, no? 2 6s are 12. So now solve this one. Minus 3 plus 6 plus 3, 5. Bigger number sign is plus. So here LHS and RHS under this one both are equal? No. So both are not equal. Therefore LHS is not equals to RHS. That means this is verified. Why it is verified? They are given not equals to. This is not equals to, no? LHS is not equals to RHS. That means this is verified. Okay. And second sub question is there. Try it yourself. Here two questions are there. I have taken only one question. Try second one. Okay. So fill in the blanks are there. Okay. So in that first one, 369 divided by blank equals to 369. So now only I explain this one. Dividing any integer by which number equals to 360, that same integer 1, no? So answer is 1. So next big one, I will explain only few of the problems. Minus 75 divided by blank equals to minus 1. Okay. If we divide any integer by same integer, we get the answer as 1. Okay. So here 75 is there. Divide 75 by 75. What you will get the answer? 1, no. And now check it for sign. So check the rules here. In the resulting sign is minus 2 In these two, which one is minus? This one no. The answer should be plus. Right? Here plus is there. So resulting answer is plus 75. So next, C1 minus 206 divided by blank equals to 1. Again, dividing an integer by same integer, we get the answer 1. So here 206. Okay, but see the sign here, resulting sign is plus. Two roots are satisfying. So the first integer sign is minus. In these two roots, which one satisfies? Second one, no? Minus. That means second integer sign must be minus. So this is also minus. Why? Minus divided by minus equals to plus, no? Okay. So next, D minus 87 divided by blank equals to 87. So here one integer is there, resulting integer should be same is there here. So what will be the integer here? 1. Okay. Now check the sign. Resulting sign is plus. Two roots are satisfying. First integer sign is minus. Minus means here also minus. So this one is minus 1. 80 minus 87 divided by minus 1 equals to 87. So next, I will take G1 because next questions are there. How many questions? 2 questions are there. Just write yourself. I have taken this G1 20 divided by blank equals to minus 2. Okay. So how to solve this one? So here 20 is there. Here divided by equals to minus 2. So if you don't know this one, try to write this one. 20 divided by blank, take it as x equals to what is the value? Minus 2 they given no. So just shift this to RHS and shift this to LHS. 20 divided by minus 2 equals to, it goes to numerator. If the number is in the numerator, it goes to, if you shifting to right side or left side, it goes to denominator. If it is in the numerator, it goes to denominator. If it is in the denominator, it goes to numerator. So x go to the numerator position and numerator minus 2 is there, it goes to denominator position. When you shifting LHS to RHS or RHS to LHS. Now solve this one. 2 ones are 2 tens are. Okay, and plus divided by minus. Plus divided by minus value is minus no. So x value is minus 10. So what is the answer here? Minus 10. 10 to the 20. Plus divided by minus is minus. Okay. Next, last one, h1 dash divided by 4 equals to minus 3. They given to right. So how to solve this one? Again, if you don't know this one, take it as x. X divided by 4 equals to minus 3. You want the x value no? So shift this one 4 to RHS. It goes to numerator no? That is x equals to minus 3 into 4. So what will you get the answer? 4 3s are 12. Minus into plus minus. So answer is minus 12. Minus 12 divided by 4 equals to minus 3. Why? Resulting sign is minus. Two roots are satisfying and one sign is plus. Plus that means resulting sign should be, sorry, the first integer sign should be minus. So minus 12. So this is the way of solving these type of problems. Okay student, fourth question is write 5 pairs of integer a and b. These are two pair of integers a and b such that a divided by b equals to minus 3. If you take any two integer, the result should be minus 3. One such pair, they are given pair is 6 and minus 2. Why? Because 6 divided by minus 2 equals to 3. Why? 6 divided by 2, 3. Plus divided by minus is minus. Okay. So try to write down the remaining 4 pairs. How to write this one? Here 2 3s are 6, no? 2 3s are 6. And what about sign? If you want the resulting sign should be minus, take any two integer. In that two integer, take one integer should be minus. Okay. Here minus 2 is there. We can take it as minus 6 and 2. We can take this one, no? Minus 6 and 2 by minus 6 divided by 2. We get that minus 3 by 2 3s are 6. Minus divided by plus. Minus divided by plus is minus, no? That means in that two integer, one integer should be in minus. So this is first one. 2 3s are 6, no? Take minus 9 3. Minus 9 3 5. Minus 9 divided by 3. What will get the answer? Minus 3. 3 3s are 9. 9 divided by 3 means 3. Minus divided by plus means minus. Take 12 divided by minus 4. This is also possible, no? Why? Sorry, this one is third one, no? This 12 divided by minus 4. So this one we get minus 3. So next fourth one 15 minus 5. So this one 15 divided by minus 5. What will get the answer? Minus 3, no? So these are 4 pairs. Try to write another 4 pairs of this equation. A divided by B equals to minus 3.